What's up guys, and welcome to the 11th tutorial of programming in C using Xcode. And in this tutorial it's all about the switch case statement. So without further ado, let's start the video. Okay, the first thing I want to do is go here and type in int a equals say 3, close that off, and have a switch yes a yes, go here and say case 1 statement is using printf Monday, close that off, copy this a couple of times, change that to number 2, change this to number 3, okay, and printf just say invalid. That is all done. We can just sort out the indentation. It's all sorted out perfectly. So now if we do execute, we have Monday. We need to change all these to now. This should work according to the dates. There you go, Wednesday. If I change this to 1, we have Monday. If I change this to 2, we have Tuesday. If I change this to 3, we have Wednesday. If I change this to 45, we will have invalid because it's not there. That's how the switch case statement works. That's it for this tutorial. I'll see you guys in the next tutorial. Thanks for now.